So what is up guys, welcome to AGT Tech and Motivation YouTube channel and welcome to this new video. So guys, in today's video I'm going to be discussing is two factors. First factor is the iPhone 9. Like Apple is forced to make it, and I'm going to be telling you that all reasons that why iPhone SE2 or the iPhone 9 is happening for real, and it is going to be coming in the month of March. And the second factor which I'm going to be discussing is a bezel-less iPhone 9 Plus. Okay, the successor to the iPhone 9, which is going to be coming later this year, and which is going to be a bezel-less iPhone concept, and which is going to be in the budget. So guys, today's video is going to be very interesting. So guys, if you like to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem, then consider subscribing to our channel. And first of all, let me show you a beautiful concept of the upcoming iPhone 9. So guys, this was one of the most beautiful concepts regarding the iPhone 9, and this concept really makes us feel that how the iPhone 9 is going to be looking like. So first of all, now let me discuss regarding the factor, and that is about the iPhone 9. So guys, why exactly Apple is forced to make a budget friendly iPhone? So guys, when iPhone SE was launched in 2016, it was an incredible smartphone. We all know that how popular it was, and from that time we are hoping for its successor. So guys, later on Apple introduced the iPhone XR, which was supposedly going to be replacing the iPhone SE, but it was starting at the price tag of $750, which was too much for this iPhone, but still people consider buying this iPhone because it was way less expensive than the flagship level iPhone XS. So everybody started to buy this iPhone, and later on it became a great selling iPhone, and not just that, it was the best selling iPhone in 2019. And guys, not just a best-selling iPhone, but overall the best-selling smartphone in 2019. And in 2019 itself, Apple came with the iPhone 11 at the price tag of $699. So everybody liked this smartphone so much that this iPhone is again gone on to become a best-selling iPhone. So like Apple has got this technique that people really want a budget-friendly smartphone. Okay, they are not ready to invest like 1 lakh Indian rupees or 1000 plus US dollars behind a smartphone, and there is a lot of perfection, or there is a lot of room in the mid-range category. Okay, people are planning to buy a smartphone under $500 nowadays, and I think there is a big competition here. Like OnePlus is coming with the budget-friendly alternatives, and all other companies are focusing on the mid-range category. And also guys, all of the companies like Samsung is coming with the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Lite, OnePlus is going to be coming with the OnePlus 8 Lite, and the Pixel is going to be, Google is coming with the Pixel 4a. So overall, all of the companies are now focusing into the mid-segment category. So Apple also wants to put its lead forward. So guys, with this iPhone 9, Apple has to make this iPhone happen, and indeed it is coming in March. Okay, it's 101% confirmed that in Q1 of 2020 this year, this iPhone is coming. We really don't know whether it is going to be called as the iPhone 9 or iPhone SE2. There are few sources who are saying that this is going to be the iPhone 9, but overall the main purpose of this iPhone will be to provide you the latest internal in the mid-range category. So guys, this is a great smartphone. So now let me come to the second topic of today's video, and that is regarding the iPhone 9 Plus. Okay, after this iPhone, Apple is indeed working behind the iPhone 9 Plus. Okay, in the recent reports it is confirmed that Apple is working behind two iPhones. First is a mid-range iPhone, while second also is a mid-range iPhone, but it is having something great, and that is the display. Okay, with this iPhone you're going to be getting a bezel-less, just like the iPhone XR, you're going to be getting a great display with this smartphone. Like iPhone XR might have a 720p panel, but just let me tell you, for the price tag of $399 or $499, if you will get this display, I think this will be a great value for the money iPhone. So guys, this iPhone Apple is working behind, we really don't know much about it, but this iPhone is going to be coming in 2020 itself, at the end of 2020. Okay, in the September event this iPhone is coming, but the overall what I want to say is now Apple is shifting towards the mid-range category. Okay, always the iPhones are great in the flagship level category, but there is a lot of room for improvement in the mid-range category. So guys, if you're planning to buy the iPhone 9, let me tell you that iPhone 9 is indeed coming coming in March of 2020 and you can easily buy this smartphone. And also if you want a bezel-less iPhone in your budget, then the iPhone 9 Plus might be a great alternative. This smartphone is coming in the end of 2020, but still if you want to wait for it, you can wait for it. So if you have liked today's video, in today's video I just wanted to tell you that iPhone SE2 or iPhone 9 is happening for sure, and that is coming after 2 months. And if you are planning to buy this smartphone, then you can easily buy it. So if you have liked today's video, if you want to stay updated from Apple's ecosystem and Android world, then consider subscribing to our channel, as it motivates me a lot to bring you like this beautiful content. So I will meet you with another beautiful video. Until then, peace.